Hello everyone. Today we will see about the evolving role of a software. Okay. So we all know that software plays a very major role in today's era. It takes a role, okay, of a product. It may take a role of information transformer. It can play as a vehicle and sometimes it can also transfer the personal data. So let us see one by one. Okay. So let us see first one, that is what is the role of a software as a product. So as we all know that why it is called as a product, because software, whenever you design a customized software for a specific requirement for the user, it is nothing but a deliverable, right? So by using that customized software, the customer can fulfill his needs, right? So always a software plays the role of a product, whether it may be in terms of a network or by accessing any local hardware or a cellular phone, right? So software is also an information transformer. We can see that software is, okay, an information transformer. So how do you say that a software is an information transformer? Because with the help of the software you can produce lot of information, you can collect lot of information, you can manage the information, you can modify the information, you can update the information, or you can just transmit the information, whether it can be as simple as it or it may be a complex, right? So sometimes with the help of the software you can do some presentations, or you can record something, or you can work with the graphics, isn't it? So software is also called as an information transformer. So it is one of the major role of software, right? So software can also be considered as a vehicle which is used to deliver the products. So what is exactly this means, right? So software acts as a basis for the control of operating systems. Okay, it can be also used for communication in the network. It can also be used for creation and controlling of other programs like software tools and environments. Software delivers the most important product of our time and information. So why it is called as a vehicle? What is the major role of software as a vehicle? Because it is used to transfer, or it is used to establish connection, or it is also used to control certain devices. Hence we can also say that software plays a major role as a vehicle also. Alright, so hope you are understanding it. Next, another major role of a software is, okay, let us see that is software transforms personal data. So what is this personal data? See, for example, an individual's financial transaction. So what does this means? Whenever I perform some transactions using a software, it will provide me a details of all the transactions that I have performed, right? So that data can be more useful in local contexts. It manages business information, right? So whether I want to see, suppose we have a company and we want to see the market analysis of our company. So where does exactly our company stands in the market? So some softwares are also used to make comparisons, or those are also used to enhance the business activities, right? See, another information, another role, that is, it provides a gateway to worldwide information networks, for example internet. So all of us know that with the help of certain softwares, that is networking softwares or any application softwares, or with the help of any networking layers, architectures, it is helpful for us to make utilization of all the things that are available on the internet. So hence it also plays a major role for transforming the data. So hope you are getting that. So what is another major role? Okay, so what is another major role of a software, right? So we can see that another major role of a computer software, okay, it has to undergo significant change over time. So what does it means? As the requirement of users keeps on changing, okay, there is a need uh, to develop such kind of softwares, right? By utilizing the existing hardware, it is needed to provide the maximum performance, right? And by using the available resources, it is quite challenging to develop good or quality softwares. But that is needed to develop, okay, quality softwares which can handle all complex as well as sophisticated calculations. All right. So this is also one of the major role, okay, evolving role of the software, right? So what is another role? Let us see. The lone programmer of an earlier era has been replaced by a team of software specialists, each focusing on one part of the technology required to deliver a complex application. What does it mean? Earlier there used to be only one software developer. Now we need a team when it comes to develop the large softwares, right? So it says that we need a team which is specialized and which can focus on developing the new large systems, so which can deliver a complex application. All right. Okay. So there are certain questions, right? So the same questions are asked to the lone programmer when modern computer systems are built. So why does it take so long to get a software finished? Why are development costs so high? Why can't we find all the errors before we give the software to customers? Why do we continue to have difficulty in measuring progress as software is being developed? So what does this exactly means? So certain questions were being asked, okay, for the developers, okay, that is the lone programmer, when it comes to the development. So these all questions, okay, are arising when the modern computer systems are built, right? So developing a software is not an easy task, as I told you. So whenever a software development has to be done, not many things are needed to be taken care, right? So all these queries will be answered to you in the next sessions, okay? So this is all about evolving role of the software. So if you have any queries, so you can just comment it or you can just send it to me in the Google Classroom. All right. So have a nice day and see you in the next session.